Yes, good morning everybody. Ma. Now we are going to do some extra problems in our solid analytical geometry in our syllabus from starting stages onwards, from spheres onwards. We are going to do some extra problems now. In that, first question is, prove that the equation ax square plus ay square plus az square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 represents a sphere if u square plus v square plus w square is greater than AD, and also find its center and radius. This is your complete question. Prove that above equation, this equation, whenever this is possible, represents a sphere having center, some radius, some. You have to find that center of the sphere as well as radius of the sphere also, right? Basically, to prove one equation, general equation is a sphere, if you can show like this, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square. If we can express given expression as like this, this represents a sphere. In the spheres we proved, this represents a sphere with center a, b, c and radius r. If we can write that above equation as like this a, b, c becomes what? Center of the sphere, and this r becomes what? Radius of the sphere. Now let us take your given equation and express in this form, you get your conclusion here, right? For that, first of all, I want to take given equation here. Given that, or given equation is ax square plus ay square plus az square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. In the next step, multiply with a on both sides. Then what we get? This implies a square x square plus a square y square plus a square z square plus 2uax plus 2vay plus 2waz plus ad is equal to 0, right? After that, let us add on both sides u square plus v square plus w square minus d, actually minus ad. Add on both sides u square plus v square plus w square minus ad. Ad in left side తీసుకురండి, then it becomes positive result. Let us add that positive result on both sides of this relation. I mean adding u square plus v square plus w square minus ad on both sides, we get, yes, what is that? A square x square plus a square y square plus a square z square plus 2uax plus 2vay plus 2waz plus ad plus addition number u square plus v square plus w square minus ad is equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus ad. Any problem is there? Here this place plus ad minus ad gets cancelled. Now I want to express this left side as three combinations. One combination is ax square 2uax u square. Next ay square 2vay v square, second combination. Third combination az square 2waz w square. Like this left side portion I am going to express now. It is a square x square plus 2uax plus u square. This is one combination now. And the next combination is a square y square plus 2vay plus v square. Next one plus a square z square plus 2waz plus w square is equal to, right side I am keeping as it is, u square plus v square plus w square minus ad, right? Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. I mean this total thing you can write as what ma? U plus ax whole square, or ax plus u in the perfect order. Ax plus u whole square. Like that. This is also what ma? Ay plus v whole square. Plus this is what ma? Az plus w whole square is equal to, this one also I am going to write like this, square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad whole square under root. Any problem is there? Again here a I am taking common, means a square you can take outside, here also a square you can take outside, here also a square you can take outside. Then this result becomes what a square into x plus u by a whole square plus a square into y plus v by a whole square plus a square into z plus w by a whole square is equal to this, right, as it is, square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad whole square, right? In the next step, take this a square common and take on to right side, right? Then this you can write as like this, x plus u I am going to write as minus of minus u by a whole square. Any problem is there? Plus u ni minus of minus plus here a square outside, this again we are writing as y minus of minus v by a plus this is what z minus of minus w by a, sorry, this is square, this is also square, is equal to a square we are taking on to other side and take combination with this, then it should be what square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad whole by a complete to the power of 2. Any problem is there? Now see this is in what formation x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square. So that is, it represents a sphere or not where center is what minus u by a minus v by a minus w by a, and radius is what square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad by a. That should be what radius of the sphere. That I am proceeding here. Above equation represents a sphere with center minus u by a minus v by a minus w by a and radius r is equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad by a whole square. Endukante this is in the form of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square. which is generally forms a sphere with center what ma? Minus u by a, minus v by a, minus w by a, and radius is what ma? Square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad by a, not square ma, sorry, minus ad by a, because r square, r is what ma? Square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad by a ma. This is about your first question in this extra problems ma, right? Yes, you can now see next problem ma. Second question. Question number 2 here. Find the equation of the sphere find the equation of the sphere circumscribing the tetrahedron formed by the planes y by b plus z by c is equal to 0, z by c plus x by a is equal to 0, x by a plus y by b is equal to 0, and x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. This is your new question. Find the equation of the sphere circumscribing the tetrahedron formed by these planes. First plane is what? Y by b plus z by c equal to 0. Second one is z by c plus x by a equal to 0. Third one is x by a plus y by b equal to 0. And fourth one is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Right? Yes. Once see what is that. Actually we have to find the sphere which is involving the tetrahedron formed by these planes. ఈ ప్లేన్స్ ఇన్సైడ్ లో ఉండే స్పియర్ ని మనం డిఫైన్ చేయాలి. ఈ ప్లేన్స్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు వచ్చే టెట్రాహెడ్రన్ ఇన్సైడ్ స్పియర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిఫైన్ రైట్. ఫర్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టేక్ 4 ఫేసెస్ ఆఫ్ టెట్రాహెడ్రన్ టెట్రాహెడ్రన్ కి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యే ఆల్ ద ఫేసెస్ ఐ am taking గివెన్ ఫేసెస్ ఆఫ్ టెట్రాహెడ్రన్ ఆర్ సొల్యూషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నామమ్మా. గివెన్ ది ఫేసెస్ ఆఫ్ tetrahedron or y by b plus z by c is equal to 0. First one. Next one is what ma? Z by c plus x by a is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ numbers కూడా indicate చేద్దాం better ma. This is first one, right? Second one ma, z by c plus x by a equal to 0. Third one ma, x by a plus y by b equal to 0. And fourth one ma, x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. These are the total 4 faces ma. Now we have to define 4 points on the sphere by using intersection of these 4 faces ma. ఈ 4 ఫేసెస్ యూస్ చేస్తూ ఈ 4 ఫేసెస్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయ్యే పోర్షన్స్ డిఫైన్ చేయండి అమ్మా. దోస్ బికమ్స్ వాట్ మా? 4 పాయింట్స్ ఆన్ ద స్పియర్ మా. Whenever you know 4 points on the sphere, you can form sphere equation. In the beginning stages of the sphere, we proceed ma. Like that you can form ma. But here main work is what ma? You have to form 4 points by using all these intersection of 4 faces ma. Right? Now first point I am going to define by using 1 2 3 equations means I mean solving 1 2 3 equations ma. Solving equations 1 2 and 3 we get. Here I am writing directly x result, y result and z result ma. In the rough work I will show how you got them, how you got those results I am showing here ma. But in the solution directly I am writing ma. In the examination also you must do like that ma. Yes, solve 1 2 3 equations ma, right? Especially come on to 1 and 2 equations ma. 1 minus 2 implies what we get once look ma. 1 is what ma? Y by c, y by b plus z by c is equal to 0. 2 is what ma? Z by c, right? Next x by a. X by a plus z by c means minus minus because we are subtracting na. Any doubt is there? Second equation is what ma? Minus x by a minus z by c because we are subtracting ma, equal to 0 ma. Now these two things gets cancelled, right? Then what we get here ma? Y by b minus x by a is equal to 0. This is our new equation. Let it be some number ma, p for my convenience, right? After getting this ma, solve these two things, third equation and this, because third equation also we are solving here ma. Solve these two equations ma. In what way we can proceed ma? Solution of those two equations, add 3 and p equation. 3 plus p implies what is third equation ma? X by a plus y by b is equal to 0. P is what ma? Y by b, here I am writing plus y by b minus x by a, I am writing in the reverse order, is equal to 0. Just we are adding na, these two things gets cancelled ma, right? Y by b plus y by b is what ma? 2y by b. Here it is 2y by b equal to 0. This implies y equal to 0 because 0 into b is 0, 2y is 0, then y is what ma? 0. Here y value is what ma? 0, right? Substitute that y value here or any equations ma, right? Here I am substituting ma. Then x value is what? If y is 0, from p implies ma. Here y is 0, substitute ma, 0 by something is 0 na. So that minus x by a is 0. From this what is x here ma? X is also 0. X is also 0 here ma. Now here x 0, y 0 ma. Substitute these results in z relation ma, any relation. First equation take ma. From 1 implies y 0 na, substitute here ma. 0 plus z by c is equal to 0. This implies is it z is also 0 or not? Z value is also 0 ma. This is a point ma. x0, y0, z0. X0, y0, z0 point means what ma? Is it origin or not ma? That condition, that word I am writing here ma. Therefore, solving above equations, what do you get ma? Origin, it is what ma? 0 0 0. This is first point ma, right? Next I want solve equations 1 to 4 ma, to get second point ma. Solving equations 1 to 4 we get. Yes, again let us simplify in the same manner ma, same like previous procedure ma. Simplify ma, 1 to 4 equations ma. First go for 1 and 2, sorry I rub here now, 1 and 4 2 ma. If you can solve 1 and 2 equations ma, I mean 1 minus 2 implies what we get ma? 1 minus 2 implies 1 is what ma? Y by b plus z by c equal to 0. Here it is what ma? Minus x by a minus z by c equal to 0. Any problem is there? We are subtracting, these two gets cancelled ma. Then what we get? Y by b minus x by a is equal to 0. This is some p relation, let it be, right? Y by b minus x by a equal to 0 is p relation ma. Now let us go for this relation ma. Because we are solving 1, 2 and 4 na. Let us come on to fourth relation ma, right? In that fourth relation, let us substitute y by b equal to what ma? X by a. Substitute x by a is equal to y by b or y by b equal to x by a. Anyway you can substitute ma. I am substituting y by b equal to x by a ma. Y by b plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1, right? Y by b plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Yes ma. Let us see again simplification ma, because in the previous case that work is little bit handy. Easy ma, procedure once see ma. 1 minus 2 do ma, this 1 minus 2 do ma, right? Then what we get, this p relation keep aside ma. Now we are solving 1, 2 and 4 na. Now let us go for 1 and 4 ma. Substitute 1 in 4 ma. Substituting 1 in 4. This implies 1 means y by b plus z by c is what ma? 0. Substitution means here substitute 0 ma. X by a plus 0 equal to 1. Then x is equal to what ma? Minus a or not ma. Here sorry, x is equal to what ma? X by a equal to 1. X is what ma? A. Now x value we got a ma. Substitute that x equal to a here ma. From p implies, once see again simplification, y by b minus a by a is equal to 0. A by a is what ma? 1. Now we have y by b is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to what ma? B, right? Now substitute x equal to a, y equal to b. Otherwise substitute y equal to b in 1, better. Easy simplification. From 1 implies b by b plus z by c equal to 0, right? b gets cancelled. Then what we get ma? Z by c equal to minus 1. b once cancel ma. 1 plus z by c equal to 1. Z by c is what ma? Minus 1. Then z should be what ma? Is it minus c or not? Then your next point is what ma? A, b minus c. That point we are taking as what ma? A point ma. I mean on solving this we get x is equal to a, y is equal to b, z equal to minus c ma. Therefore a point is what ma? A, b minus c. Like this we got second point ma, right? Next let us go for the equations 1, 3, 4 ma. Solve the equations what ma? 1, 3, 4 ma. Solving equations 1, 3, 4. Solving equations 1, 3, 4, we get what is x, what is y, what is z. Here you have to write. Again solve them. Now first equation is this ma. Here clearly I am solving ma. Now 1 and 3 we are solving now. Let us go for 1 minus 3 ma. First do 1 minus 3. What we get ma? 1 is y by b plus z by c equal to 0. 3 is this now. Minus means what ma? Minus y by b minus x by a is equal to 0. Actually this total simplification you can do, but I am explaining here ma. Yes, these two gets cancelled ma. Then what we get here? Z by c minus x by a is equal to 0. Let it be some p for our convenience ma, right? Z by c minus x by a equal to 0. Take it number p ma, right? Okay, now let us substitute 3 in 4 ma, whatever it may be, 3 in 4 or 1 in 4, anything you can use. For our convenience we are using 3 in 4 ma. Substituting equation 3 in equation 4 we get what is that ma? Equation 3 is x by a plus y by b is 0, means this substitute 0 ma. 0 plus z by c is equal to 1. This implies z is equal to what here ma? C. Now we got z value is c ma, right? After getting z equal to c ma, substitute that c here ma. From p implies c by c minus x by a equal to 0, because z equal to c we substitute here. This implies x by a is equal to 1, because this take on to other side minus x by a, it is x by a equal to c by c is 1 na. Then what is x here ma? X is equal to a here, right? Now substitute x equal to a here ma, better. I mean substitute x equal to a in 3 ma, better. You get y value. Substituting x equal to a in equation 3 we get what is that, tell me ma? X is a na, a by a plus y by b is equal to 0. This implies a once gets cancelled, 1 plus y by b is 0 ma, right? Then y is equal to what ma? Minus b or not? Reason is y by b equal to minus 1, y equal to minus b ma. Yes, let us proceed these points here ma. X is what there? A. Y is what here ma? Minus b, and z is what here ma? C, right? Now I am denoting that point with what ma? B, capital B. What is that ma? A minus b, c. Up to here 3 points we define ma. One more point required to find your sphere equation ma. For that, let us solve equations 2, 3, 4 ma. Solving equations 2, 3 and 4, we get, yes, what is that? Once look ma. Again I am solving here ma, 2, 3, 4 in the same manner. First subtract 2 and 3 ma. 2 minus 3 do better ma. 2 minus 3 implies, what is 2 here ma? Z by c plus x by a is equal to 0. Here what ma? X by a plus y by b equal to 0. So that minus, if you can proceed, y by b minus y by b minus x by a is equal to 0. Minus y by b minus x by a equal to 0. Now these two gets cancelled ma. Then what we get here? Z by c minus y by b equal to 0. Let it be, this is some p ma, right? In the next step ma, let us substitute 3 in 4 better, right? Again the third equation is there na. 2 you can substitute, or 3 you can substitute in 4 ma. For my convenience 3 ma. Substituting 3 in 4, we get 3 is what ma, this na, substitute here. Then you have z by c is equal to 1, because this is 0 na. Then z value is what ma? C. Keep this aside ma, right? After getting z equal to c, substitute here ma. I mean substituting z equal to c in relation p, we get c by c minus y by b equal to 0 ma. c once gets cancelled ma. Now here y by b is equal to 1, because this minus y by b we are taking on to other side. Then y is equal to what ma? B. Here y value is what ma? B, right? Still you need x na. For that, x relation concentrate. Here 2, 3, 4 na, this relation concentrate ma. Here substitute y value ma, y equal to b ma. Substitute y equal to b in relation number 3. We get, yes, x by a plus y is what ma? B by b is equal to 0, right? Now here this gets cancelled once more. X by a equal to minus 1, then x is what ma? Minus a. Now here x is minus a, y is b, z is c. I am substituting ma. Here I am using here ma. X is minus a, y is b, and z is c ma. Therefore, what is your c point ma? C point is minus a, b, c. Yes, we got 4 points on the sphere ma. You can define sphere equation. How can you proceed? First take general form of the sphere ma. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2y plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Then use these points there ma. You get unknowns u, v, w and d ma. Substituting in the first equation, you get your required sphere ma, right? That concept you have to do here. And one more thing ma. This procedure is not compulsory in the examination. This rough work ma, right? For our convenience we are doing. If you know directly these values ma, write down, but don't write wrong words ma, wrong way ma, right? Now I am proceeding general form of this sphere here ma. Especially here only I want to write, because space is not sufficient. The general form of sphere is, what is that ma? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. This is for our convenience I am indicating with capital A, because already here we are using 1, 2, 3 equation, 4 equations. Here I want to take alpha letters, capital letters, alphabets A, B, C, D like that for our convenience. This is A equation. Here U, V, W and D are what? Unknowns. You have to find them by using these 4 points, right? First point I am using here only. If origin 0, 0, 0 is a point on equation A, then what we get here? X is 0, y is 0, z is 0, then d equal to 0 or not. Here d value is 0, directly substitute d equal to 0 here, you get another form of this pair, and d eliminate అయిపోతుంది. Substituting d equal to 0 in capital A, we get what is that? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz equal to 0. This is capital B equation. Our main equation is capital B only. Now find u, v, w values and substituting here you get your required sphere, because already d value is 0, right? For that again use remaining points, remaining points use cheddam. Let capital A, B minus C is a point on equation B, means above equation. Then what we get? This implies x is A, y is B, z is minus C. A square plus B square plus minus C whole square again C square plus 2UA plus 2VB minus 2WC is equal to 0. Any problem is there? X A square plus B square plus C square plus 2UA plus 2VB plus minus 2WC is equal to 0, right? Let it be, this is number C, equation C, right? Next B point take on your sphere. Let capital B, what is that capital B point? A minus BC is a point on capital B. This implies A square plus B square plus C square plus 2UA minus 2VB plus 2WC is equal to 0. Let it be, this is number D. D, capital D, let us take beta or small d, your wish, right? One more point is there, use that one also. Let C, what is that C point? Minus A, B, C is a point on capital B. That implies what we have here? A square plus B square plus C square minus 2UA plus 2VB plus 2WC is equal to 0. Let it be small e or capital E, whatever it may be, right? Any problem is there? In the next step, let us solve C, D, E equations. 3 equations, you get 3 unknowns U, V, W, and substituting here you get your required result. But how can you solve? Let us go for C and D equations. Add C and D equations. C plus D implies, yes, add these 2 equations, right? If you can add these 2 equations directly, I am doing, these 2 things gets cancelled, these 2 things gets cancelled. Remaining one is what? 2 into A square plus B square plus C square, 2 into this term 2 times repeated, plus 4 UA. Now these 2 things gets cancelled, is equal to 0. I did directly, any problem is there, right? Next divide with 2, and then take this one to other side. This implies 2UA equal to minus of A square plus B square plus C square. Any problem is there? 2 తో డివైడ్ చేసినామంటే then this becomes 2ua equal to this other side minus of a square plus b square plus c square ma. From this find u ma. This implies what is u here ma? U is equal to minus of a square plus b square plus c square by 2a. This is first unknown u ma. Right? Next go for simplification of c and e ma. I mean add c and e equations ma. Equation c plus e implies, yes, c and e means these two. I am marking ma, these two ma, right? This is 2 times anyhow, 2 into a square plus b square plus c square, right? This is 2 times ma. This minus plus gets cancelled ma. This is 4 times ma, plus 4vb, and these two gets cancelled, is equal to 0. Any problem is there? Shall I write directly here ma? This implies what is v ma? Minus of a square plus b square plus c square by 2b. Any problem is there? Directly I wrote here ma. Basically divide with 2, this take on to other side, you get this ma, then v should be what ma? This by 2b ma, with negative sign, right? Any problem is there? One more relation, w value required. Shall I remove this ma? Because these are not required, complete process is over. Just I am keeping question as it is ma. Yes, once observe here ma. Let us solve d and e equations, means add d and e ma. D plus e implies, similar work proceed here ma, right? Again de add cheyandi, this remains 2 times ma. 2 into a square plus b square plus c square, right? De na, these two things gets cancelled, these two things gets cancelled, then this remains 2 times, means 2 plus 2 4 ma. 4 wc is equal to 0. This implies 2wc is equal to minus of a square plus b square plus c square ma. From this we have w is equal to what ma? Minus of a square plus b square plus c square by 2c. This is w value. We got u value, v value and w value ma. Substitute them in equation b ma. Substituting the values of u, v, w in capital B, means capital B relation, we get, yes, what is that? 1c ma. X square plus y square plus z square, right? Plus 2 gets cancelled ma, anyhow, right? Sorry, 2 gets cancelled ma. 2 gets cancelled. Then u value is this, means what we get ma? Minus a square plus b square plus c square by a into x minus a square plus b square plus c square by b into y minus a square plus b square plus c square by c into z is equal to 0 ma, right? Basically this is your equation of this sphere ma. This is your equation of this sphere ma. Still you can simplify that ma. Still you can simplify that. In what way? If you want your textbook answer ma, little bit simplification you have to do. One more step ma. Divide throughout expression with what ma? A square plus b square plus c square ma. Dividing with a square plus b square plus c square on both sides, we get, yes, what is that no? This total thing by a square plus b square plus c square means 1 by a square plus b square plus c square into x square plus y square plus z square. Next minus x by a minus x by a minus y by b minus z by c is equal to 0. This be required sphere. This is a sphere which circumscribing the tetrahedron faces 4 faces this much, y by b plus z by c equal to 0, z by c plus x by a equal to 0, x by a plus y by b equal to 0, and x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1 ma. This is about your question. Ma, these extra questions we are going to do ma from today onwards ma. But these extra questions, whenever question paper is very difficult ma, in that only they give these type of questions ma. Otherwise previous questions are enough for you.